how to freeze or unfreeze your TD debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you worried about your TD debit card? Well, you can quickly freeze or unfreeze it right from your online banking dashboard. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser, and now here once inside the web browser you can just click on the search bar and simply search for TD Bank. And now here on the search result you just have to click on the first link, and after that you will be prompted to the official website of the TD Bank. Now here you simply have to click on login, and after that you simply have to click on online banking, and once you do that you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now here you have to enter your username and password to log in to your TD Bank account. And once logged in on the main dashboard, you simply have to find your debit card account. And once you have found it, you simply have to click on Manage Cards under your profile account menu. And here to freeze your card, you simply have to look for the option that says Lock Card or Freeze Card and simply click on it. And this will immediately block all new transaction. And if you change your mind, you can unfreeze the card at any time just by clicking Unlock or Unfreeze Card from the same menu. And this feature is super helpful if you have temporarily misplaced your card or just want an extra layer of security. And that's it. That's how you can freeze or unfreeze your TD debit card online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.